Hello everyone, it's your boy Daryl. Today I'll be explaining about the overview of hardware. Computer hardware has 6 main ideas which are very important towards computer hardware itself. In this video we shall be discussing 2 of those main ideas. The first of which is number system. The definition of numbers is something that represents a value and can be used in arithmetic operations such as addition and multiplication. The usual number system that we use on a day-to-day basis is called the decimal system, which is a number system that is represented by 10 different symbols and adds 1 to the left each time a sequence of all the symbols is completed. Next, we shall discuss binary numbers. Binary numbers are much different than normal decimal numbers because a binary number is a number expressed in the binary numeral system, which is a base 2 system. It uses only 2 symbols, which are 0 and 1, which are also referred to as binary digits or bits. A bit is the smallest unit of data in computing and represents a binary digit. A collection of bits represents data. For example, 8 bits represents a byte, which can technically represent 256 different values from 0 to 255. Next, I'll be explaining about converting between number systems. Converting a decimal number into binary is done by dividing the decimal number by 2 and recording the remainder, either 0 or 1, until the quotient is 0. Here's an example so it's more understandable. Let's say we want to convert the number 22 into binary. First, we should divide 22 by 2, which gives us 11, with no remainder. Then we divide again, giving us 5 and a remainder of 1. We do this again and again until the quotient is 0. And the result is the binary number 10110. Well, that's all for number system. The next part is data storage. Data storage refers to the process of saving and preserving information in various formats that computers can interpret, retrieve, and manage. There are a lot of formats used to store different types of data. For example, numbers, text, and images. For numbers, we have something called binary format, since all of the computers store numbers in binaries. There are 2 types that are represented differently, first being integers and the second being floating point numbers. Integers are numbers that are round, whether it is positive, negative, or 0. Floating point numbers are numbers that contain a decimal point. Next, we'll start talking about text. For text, we have something called character encoding, which means text data is stored using encoding schemes such as ASCII or Unicode, which maps characters to binary values. Then, onto the third one, we have images. By using image formats, images are stored as grids of pixels, with each pixel representing a color. Some of the examples of image formats are GIF, PNG, and JPEG. Most of the image formats are for photographs or even animation. Thank you for watching the video.